Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. This is a simple review for anyone comparing practical products without wasting time. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Characteristics: high compatibility, stable performance. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Volume, compact size, easy to install. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Application, widely used in transmission and measurement equipment. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are top-rated, great value, and easy choice. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. My simple verdict: the injection molding machine slide looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.